Hello people, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss about pistil, megasporangium and embryo sac. So female reproductive unit of a flower is pistil. Sometimes pistil is also considered as carpel. The number of carpel in a flower can be single, double, triple or it can be many. So on the basis of that it can be considered as monocarpellary, bicarpellary, tricarpellary, multicarpellary or polycarpellary. So when more than one carpel is available, that can be in fused condition or maybe in the free condition. So when it is available in the free condition, it is called apocarpous condition, and when they are in fused condition, they are called syncarpous condition. Each pistil is consist of three parts: ovary, style and stigma. As you can see in this diagram, figure number figure 2.7a, you can see that stigma, style and ovary. Okay, and figure B is showing syncarpous condition and figure C is showing apocarpous condition. So ovary, inside the ovary there are ovarian cavities are available, and that ovarian cavity is considered as locules. Placenta in locules bears the ovules. So placenta is basically a cushion from where ovules are arise. The number of ovules in a ovary can be one or it can be more than one. Okay, so you can see here the number of locules. It can be bilocular, trilocular, tetralocular, pentalocular, depending upon the plant or depending upon the fruit. Okay, let's see the ovule. Ovule arises as a promodia on placenta. You can see the diagram of anatopous ovule here, figure 4. It is showing the anatopous ovule. So here one stalk is available by means of which it is attached with a placenta. So that stalk is called funicle. Okay, so you can see here funicle is a short stalk which attach ovule with a placenta, and the body of ovule fuses with a funicle in the region is called hilum. So you can see here hilum is available, so that hilum is there. Then Primodia grows into mass of cells forming a nucellus. That is the body of ovule that is formed of nucellus. The two protective covering is available outside the nucellus, and that is called inner integument and then outer integument. And that integument is not covered one portion, that is tip of that body, and that is called micropyle. Okay, the basal portion of ovule is called the chalaza, that lies opposite to the micropyle. You can see in this diagram the micropyle in chalazal end is there. The cells of nucellus are rich in reserve food. A single embryo sac and female gametophyte located in the nucellus, which develops further into functional megaspore. Okay, so this is the typical structure of embryo sac. Inside embryo sac you can see different cells are available. We are going to discuss that. So one of the nucellar cell in the micropylar region is differentiated into megaspore mother cell, and that megaspore mother cell undergo the megasporogenesis process. Cells of megaspore mother cell are larger, contain dense cytoplasm and having prominent nucleus. It undergo meiosis forming 4 haploid cell, and that 4 haploid cell is called megaspore tetrad. Now the megaspore tetrad, earlier we have discussed about microspore tetrad. There is one difference in their in their structure. You can see in this diagram the megaspore tetrad are linear in nature, but microspore tetrad are tetrahedral in nature. Okay, their shape are is tetrahedral. So here 3 out of 4 megaspore, 3 degenerates and only one becomes the functional. So this become functional, and that functional again undergo the process of mitosis. So you can see the functional megaspore first is the first cell of female gametophyte. Its nucleus undergo mitosis and form a 2 nuclei, and the 2 nuclei move in the opposite pole. After that, the 2 nuclei undergo 2 successive division and form the 8 nucleate embryo, and that 8 nucleate embryo is also considered as 8 nucleate 7 cell embryo. So you can see here 8 nucleus and 7 cell. Okay, so here 7 cells are available. You can also see in this diagram. This is 8 nucleate 7 cell stage. So three cell is available in the antipodal region, 2 polar nuclei is available, and egg cell and 2 synergids are available. Okay. Okay, that is for all.